So I looked up, saw your question, and you found a tricky one. So I went and I found your article. So this Inclusive Approaches looks like it's published in this yearbook of the National Society for the Study of Education. That was my first guess. Went and found the source. Saw that it didn't say it was full text in ERIC. So I clicked find it. And I found this weird thing that you found. But it's also interesting because here I would have guessed it was Yearbook of the National Society for the Study of Education, but here it says Learning and Teaching the Ways of Knowing, as if that were the journal. So I clicked full text available. Both of these took me to the same place and got the same thing you did, the Teacher's College Record. Slide this over a little bit maybe. There we go. And I found some strange stuff about that too. And one thing I found is that when I went and looked, this says volume 109, number 2. Okay, from 2010. Okay, so went to 2010. Volume 109 isn't 2010. Volume 112 is 2010. So there's a problem right there with the citation. It's a little odd. If we want 109, we have to go back. Let's see if that's 112, 111. Oops, the other way. 111, 110, 109. So that's a little strange. So what I did in this Teacher's College Record is I looked up the author, Chavez Reyes, to see if I could find the issue, since the citation seemed to be wrong. And I found it here. It does say 2010. And when I look down here, it says that it's volume 112, number 14. That's not this at all. Cite this article as Teacher's College Record. That's completely different. So I thought, well, do we have Teacher's College Record? So I go back to the library. This time look journals. Put in Teacher's College Record. And I see nothing that says online. And when I look here, it says that in print, we have from volume 1 to 113 on the ground floor of the library. And it even identifies that volume 112 is there, which oddly enough, remember that said 112. So what you can do if you are on campus is you can go in the library and copy it. If you're not on campus, you can go to the library services resource sharing, and you can go to distance learning services and request the material through ILLiad. So you came up with one that was kind of challenging. No wonder why you couldn't find it. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know what else you need. Thanks.